Okay, dear viewers, welcome again to online learning program. Now we've already done example number 1. Now let us see example number 2. Example number 2 concerning this on how to simplify algebraic expression. Example number 2 on how to simplify. It says that simplify each of the following expression. Now you are given another type of, they are the same but different on your appearance or the way you are given in examination or in exercise. 1/3 in bracket 9a plus 15b plus 1/4 in bracket 8a plus 20b plus 20b. This is question number 1, example question number 1. Number 2, you are given 1/2 12a plus 16b minus 1/, in a bracket 4a plus 4b, and the last is 3 in bracket m minus n in bracket plus 5n minus 7n. So now you are given this type of question. You are asked to simplify it. So how do we simplify this type of question? We have seen previously in example number 1 how to simplify those questions, but now we are given this one. How do we simplify? How do you simplify this question? So in order to simplify this, we do as follows. Right? Solutions. You are given number 1 there, 1/3 in bracket 9a plus 15b plus 1/4 in a bracket 8a plus 20b. So in order to simplify it, first of all, we have to open the bracket. And how do we open the bracket? By taking this fraction and multiply by each term in this bracket. We take 1/3 and multiply by each term in the bracket, inside the bracket. And also here, we can open this bracket by taking this 1/4 and multiplying by each term on the bracket. So now if I say term, I seem to understand because we've already done it. We've already studied during the previous lesson. So don't be surprised. So now, how do? We do as follows. Take 1/3 times 9a plus 1/3 times 15b plus 1/4 times 8a plus 1/4 times 20b. So that is how we are opening the bracket. That is how we are opening the bracket. So there we have to simplify. 3, we have to simplify. And to simplify this fraction and this number is just dividing. 3 divide 9. So 3 divide 3, 1. 3 divide 9 divide 3, 3. So 1 times 3a, you get 3a plus, okay, 3 divided by 15, 3 divided by 3, 1. 15 divided by 3, you get 5. 1 times 5b, you get 5b. plus, okay, there, 4 divided by 4, 1. 8 divided by 4, 2. 1 times 2a, you get 2a. Plus, okay, 4 divided by 4, 1. 4 divided by 25. 4, 1 times 5b, you get 5b. So after dividing the denominators with this whole number, then you take the numerator times that number which you get after dividing. So now in this form you have to arrange them in a proper order. So you take 3a plus 2a, arrange them the right term, and those which are not right, put them together. 5b plus 5b. So there you get, now you are adding just simple additions. 3a plus 2a, you get 5a, plus 5b plus 5b, you get 10b. So this is your answer for question number 1. I think you have understood the question number 1. So that is how we do for question number 1. Now let us go to question number 2. Let's go to question number 2. Question number 2 there, we take 1 over, in a bracket, 12a plus 6b minus 1 over, in a bracket, 4a plus 4b. So in order to do this, we do as a question number 1. We do as we did in question number 1. So we open the bracket by multiplying this half into each term. So we take 1 over 2 times 12a plus 1 over 2 times 6b minus, in a bracket, minus, in a bracket, we put a bracket there. Why do we put, I will tell you why do we put a bracket. So 1 over 2 times 4a plus 1 over 2 times 4b. This is b, not 6b. This is b. So now we simplify as we did in the first question. So we take 2 divided by 2, 1. 12 divided by 2, 6. 1 times 6a, you get 6a. Plus 2 divided by 2, 1. 6 divided by 2, 3. 1 times 3b, you get 3b. Minus, in a bracket, there, you take 2 divided by 2, 1. 2 divided by 4 divided by 2, 2. 1 times 2a, you get 2a. Plus 2 divided by 2, 1. 2 divided by 4, 4 divided by 2, 2. 1 times 2b, you get 2b. So now we have to open the bracket there. Previously we did not open the bracket because there is a negative sign, and when you are dealing with question like this, there is a trick there. So you have to in order to do it, you have to know the trick and to solve it, to uncover that trick and then solve it. So now after doing it, then we open the bracket. Remember, you have to know that between the bracket and the negative sign here, there is a 1. If there is no number given, just you have to know that there is a 1 between the bracket and the negative sign. There is a 1. So in order to open the bracket, you have to multiply by not 1. You take it as a negative 1. So here 6a plus 3b. Here negative 1 times 2, you get minus 2a. Negative 1 times plus negative 1 times positive 2, you get negative 2b. So there, now you can do. So arrange the like term and the unlike term. So 6a minus 2a plus 3b minus 2b. Why do we say plus 3b? Because there is a plus behind the 3 and there is a 2 negative behind 2. So we arrange as they are. So now we take there is 4a, 6a minus 2, 4a plus 3b minus 2b, you get b. So now you have already simplified that question. I think you have understood for question number 2. So the problem was here. Most of the pupils, when a question like this appear in the examination, they got wrong because they do not remember this trick between negative and the bracket. So you have to put it in your mind when you are dealing with question like this one in your examination. Okay, let us finish with question number 3. Question number 3, you are given there 3 in bracket m minus b n plus 5n minus 5n. So it's the same. There, previously you were given a fraction, but now you are given a whole number. So in order to do it, first of all, you have to open the bracket as usual. So you take 3 and multiply in each term. 3 times m minus 3 times n plus 5n minus 7m. So here 3 times m, 3m, minus 3 times n, 3n, plus 5n minus 7m. So there now you are doing arrange them the like term, arrange the like term and the like term. So now you take 3m plus, no, not plus, minus 7m, and then plus 5n minus 3n. So now we are doing, okay, 3m minus 7m. There, when you do, remember 7, it's take a position as a negative number. You have 3, you own 3, and someone owe you 7. So how much when you give that 3? It will remain 4, negative 4. It will remain that you owe someone 4. So owe means negative, plus 5n minus 3n, you got 2n. So that is the question. How do you simplify? So if you are that is the answer, or you can proceed more. You can factor out the common number between these two terms. Common number between these two terms is negative 2. Negative 2, so there you can get it. When you factor out negative, you get 2m. Here, since you factor out 2, so here there is a negative n. So also this also can be a number. So don't be surprised. So if you write in this form, you get right, and if you write in this form also you get well. So now let me give you an homework. I think I've understood how we have simplified this algebraic expression. Now it's time for your homework. Copy this homework faster. Copy this homework faster. And homework. Homework. Simplify the following expression. Simplify the following expression. We'll give an expression. We're required to simplify. Number 1, 5y minus 3b over 2 it means over 2 plus 9b minus 4. Number 2, 5 in bracket 3a plus b in bracket plus 2 in bracket a minus b. Number 3, homework, 2p power 4 q power 2 minus p power 4 q power 2 plus p power 4. Simplify it. The last one, number 4, we are given 2 in bracket 3x minus 5 minus 5 minus 4 in bracket 2x plus 6. So simplify this algebraic expression. This is an end. Okay, this is an end of our lesson for today. Remember, in order for me to mark your exercise, you have to do it. You have to do it on a paper, white paper, and then after doing it, before doing it, make sure you write your name and the school you are studying, and then the solution, write the question and solution, and then you will take a picture of it or take a photograph of that paper. You will tell your mother to photograph it or to take a picture of it and send me through my WhatsApp number, which is down there, which is located there on the video of this lesson. So remember to subscribe for my channel in order to be the first to get information for every new video that I will be uploading in my channel. If you like the lesson, then press or click the like button there, and then I will see that you have liked my video. Thank you very much for listening, and have a nice day.